Are you tired of using your lungs like I am? Well, I got a solution here for you.
Oh, that's just a me problem. Anyways, this is the KiCA Jet Fan 2. It's an electronic air duster that can apparently do a lot of things. Alright, let's take a closer look. So here's the packaging. On top we have the instructions, and here's the Jet Fan 2. It's made with aviation grade aluminum and it feels really nice and premium. It charges on the bottom here via USB-C. Let's see what else we got. Here's a USB-A to USB-C cable, and here's the nozzles. First is this medium-sized one, and the thinner sized nozzle for even more precision. So this also came in the box, and I'm not sure what it's for. The box doesn't mention this thing at all. Does anyone know what it's for? The nozzles screw into place. Alright, let's turn this thing on. It has a stepless speed adjustment which you control with a slider. One press of the power button puts it in standby mode. This is the optional vacuum attachment. We got more instructions here. And here's the attachment. It has a replaceable filter, so that's nice. Here's the nozzle for the vacuum. And a little brush attachment. Alright, let's put it together. When you attach this, make sure you put it on the right end of the fan. It screws into place again. It doesn't seem strong. Oh, there it is. You need to turn to the full power. We'll test that later. But yep, that's the KiCA Jet Fan 2. It's pretty compact and lightweight. It's smaller than an iPhone 15 Pro Max, but slightly bigger than an iPhone 4. I don't know who really has an iPhone 4 around to compare the size, but here it is. It weighs 302 grams. In comparison, the iPhone 15 Pro Max weighs 221 grams, and the GoPro Hero 12 weighs 154 grams. They say that the battery can last up to 4.5 hours on low speeds. I'm not going to test this. The way that I use this fan, I don't see myself needing it for that long without being able to charge it. And they claim to reach 101,000 RPM. I don't even know how I'm supposed to test that, so I'm just going to take the word for it. So according to KiCA, it has multiple functions, so let's test that out. First off, the cushion inflation. I don't have an airbed or anything to test it on, so I'm just going to have to trust them on that one. Next, they have a paddleboard inflation. I don't have one of those either, so once again, yeah. You know what, let's just go through this list. Alright, barbecue heating, I don't do barbecues, so yeah. Campfire lighting, I don't camp, so I don't even know how to start a fire like that, so just, yeah. Outdoor hair drying, okay, I can do that. I can do that one, so let's head outside and let's test out the outdoor hair drying. It also says it can be used for cooling down also, so let's go ahead and test that also while we're out there. Can't test the hair drying if my hair isn't wet. Alright, here we go. Yeah, low speed isn't gonna do it. High speed seems like it's doing something. Yeah, no, hair is still soaked. How is it for cooling down? It's a nice breeze at low speeds, but what if it's really hot out? Ah, so this is how it feels like to stand behind a jet engine. Alright, works pretty well for cooling down. Alright, so next we have easy storage. That should be easy to do. I got this pouch here and easy storage. And finally we have car cleaning. Let's go back outside. If you have a dog, you know that their hair ends up everywhere. Looks like I can easily blow all of this out of the car. Yep, works good for car cleaning. Alright, so I guess you can use it for a lot of things, unless you're me apparently. Now I like to do comparisons in my videos, so let's go ahead and test this out against other products. So first we're going to test the KiCA Jet Fan against my own lungs, so I got this inflatable float here. Let's blow it up. Don't like how I said that. Which method will get me in the pool the fastest? It's not looking good for my lungs. Yeah, that wasn't even close. Alright, these two may look the same, but let's test out which one's the better hairdryer. I don't know why I think this will dry my hair when it didn't work outside, but I guess we'll see. I think we already knew what was going to happen here. Maybe it's just my hair that doesn't want to dry, so let's test it out on my dog. Just use a towel instead. Alright, my lungs may have lost that first battle, but let's test it out, blowing up a balloon. I actually thought the jet fan would crush this. Let's try pre-stretching them first. Yeah, I can't believe my lungs actually won something. How fun is a KiCA Jet Fan 2? Let's compare it against a Kendama. The Jet Fan is great for people with no skills like me. Yeah, I prefer the one that's less aggravating. Let's see if the KiCA Jet Fan 2 works better at cleaning my cameras than a standard rocket blower. Alright, so they both work pretty well. But you can't beat the consistent dusting of the Jet Fan though. This looks a little bit dangerous, but let's test out this vacuum attachment against a hand vac. The exhaust of the hand vac is actually blowing everything away. I didn't think the Jet Fan would actually win that one. And since it's tied up between the Jet Fan and my lungs, let's see who can blow better bubbles. Is there some technique to blow bubbles that I don't know about? Alright, fine. My lungs suck. So this fan's pretty nice. It does have a ton of uses. Like this vacuum attachment isn't as strong as a regular vacuum obviously, but the fact that all I have to carry is this little attachment and I have a vacuum wherever I go, like who's traveling around with a vacuum in their bag? That's pretty cool. It is a bit loud though, even at low speeds, and I did get confused a few times trying to figure out which way the fan was supposed to be blowing. Like when I was drying my dog, I kept getting confused which way was which, and sometimes I end up drying myself. This is probably more of a me problem, but it just wasn't intuitive to me. I also wish it came with like a case or a pouch because when I'm packing it in my bag, everything's just loose in there. Now I could leave the attachments on, but then it doesn't make it as compact to pack in my bag. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions about the KiCA Jet Fan. And if you're interested in buying this, I have a discount code that'll give you 15% off. I'll have everything linked down below in the description. Alright, I'm gonna see what else I can do with this fan so that I don't have to use my lungs anymore. See ya.